Hello mga kamega. So this is me, Ma'am Shawie vlog. Wala na siya. Hello mga kamega. So this is me, Ma'am Shawie vlog, and it's unboxing time. So guys, I have ordered this sun protector waffle beach bucket hats. So I have choose two colors. So I choose black and brown. So guys, I've ordered this one, guys, because as of the moment we are experiencing extreme hotness. So we are so hot. It's so hot nowadays. So that's the reason why I choose this one, because look guys. Okay, so it's what do you call this part? It's somewhat long. So I have ordered this, guys, from this store. So see guys, yeah, I love it. I like this. So it can protect our face, our beautiful face. Charot. So it's very long. So see guys, so this is the black one, and then this is the brown. Still love it. Okay, see guys, aside from it's somewhat classy, it's narrow, it's long. Oh guys, so thank you very much, dear seller, for this one, and I will recommend your store, because before I ordered this head protector, this protector, I have read numerous positive feedbacks. So that's the reason why I choose your store over the others, because you have lots of positive feedback. So shout out to the store. Thank you very much. And this is me, Ma'am Shawie vlog. And again, enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.